creative button, and I'm going to show you how to make the rainbow summer wreath that you saw that I uploaded. We're going to take it one stage at a time. We're going to have lots of flowers to make, so you're going to need some patience, but at the end of it you will have the most gorgeous wreath to keep forever. Thanks for watching. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to pick your base. When I decided to make my wreath, I was in lockdown, so there wasn't so much choice. So I rifled through my potting shed and I had a 16-inch Oasis ring, which is what I used. In retrospect, I think I probably would have been better off using the polystyrene one that I've placed here. It's light, it's cheaper, and it's quite easy to put those wires through. So if I was you, I would pick a polystyrene ring. The next part we will look at paper and how to make that first lovely daisy. Thank you for watching.